Hey everybody, I am here with
Abby.
And we're going to show you the alcohol inks that I got. I have been obsessed with doing alcohol ink backgrounds, and I've seen lots of people use the Copic refills to do alcohol ink backgrounds. So I thought I'd give it a try. And I like that there is more in the container. There is 25 milliliters versus the Ranger you get 15 milliliters. So there's just a little bit more in here, and I thought they would probably last a lot longer. Although I've had some of these alcohol inks for like 8 years. So anyways, I got various groups to do different backgrounds, and I tried really hard to figure out the colors that I wanted, just because I obviously can't get them all. So I tried my best to kind of group the colors that I thought would go good. I'm also waiting on a gold mixative and a white as well. So once those come in, I will definitely be doing a lot of playing around with the alcohol inks. And I also got the artsy alcohol inks. And I like that these are already grouped together so that you don't really have to guess which colors go good. These colors will make a gorgeous background. And then I got some Yupo paper. Abby says it's what? What do you say?
Yupo.
Yupo.
Heavy. Yupo heavy.
Yupo heavy. Alright, so I'm just going to go really quickly over the colors that I got, and I will have them all listed down below, so if you're interested. I know BLICK Arts has a sale on them, I believe, and also Ellen Hudson has a sale, really good sale actually, on alcohol ink refills. So if you are wanting to pick some up, even if you don't do alcohol ink backgrounds and you use Copics, definitely check them out. So the first color I got is Ice Ocean, Coral, Teal Blue, Baby Blossoms, Raspberry, Begonia, I think, Black, Jasper, Ice Mint, Neutral Gray number 4, and Pale Grape. And then these colors are Berry, Teal, and
Orange.
I don't know what that last color is, so it's covered up. Let's see.
Ooh, yeah, you need to pick them out.
Pumpkin.
Ooh, yeah.
So this is like a cool fall-ish color theme here. And then the Yupo paper is just the 5x7 Yupo paper. Yupo. Abby says it's Yupo. And I like the packaging on here. I'm just going to demonstrate really quickly. So I got the Ice Ocean. Let me get the blending solution. So I'm going to, you okay? Put down a little blending solution. This is alcohol blending solution, and it helps the alcohol ink. Let's see how you open this. Honestly, I'm terrified of alcohol inks.
Oh, because they're...
That is a really, really pretty color.
Ooh, can I do something?
So let me get this color here, which is Jasper.
And then you can do the ice one. Do the ice one.
The ice.
Ooh. They smell weird.
They do have a smell.
It smells kind of like nail polish.
A little bit, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm just going to move this around a little bit with my heat tool.
Oh, because you... Ooh, that's pretty.
That's cool, huh?
It kind of looks like the ones over there.
It does. Alright, you want to try this?
those ones.
And try this color?
Yeah, I want to do pumpkin.
Alright, so really quickly, first kind of playing around with them. This Yupo paper is, oh, I got a little sticky on, so I'm spreading it around. This Yupo paper, where did I put it?
Oh yeah.
Is thicker than the Ranger or Tim Holtz Yupo paper, and it honestly, I have to say that it reacts better. Alright, so I didn't realize that my memory card was out of space, and I was just talking away, and me and Abby were playing around with the inks, and just wanted to show you guys really quickly. I used, on this one, I used, what's this color? Baby Blossom, it's not going to focus, and then the Neutral Gray 4, and then I just kind of pressed in a little bit of foil, and you got this really cool effect. I added a little bit too much here, but just kind of playing around. And what I was saying earlier was that the Legion Yupo paper is a lot heavier and thicker, and I feel it's nicer than the Ranger Yupo paper. So if you have a choice, they're about the same price. So if you have a choice, then I do recommend the Legion Yupo paper over the Ranger Yupo paper. So I didn't want to leave you guys hanging without a outro to the video. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy doing alcohol ink backgrounds, leave me a comment down below, and I would love to hear some tips and tricks. And if you have videos, let me know so I can go check them out. I'm still learning and kind of getting the hang of them, but I do love how it all looks. So again, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.